Hello friends, today we see the SYBSC
Hello
topic.
friends, today we see the topic laser of SYBSC. First we know what is laser. Laser is an acronym of light amplification by stimulated emission of radiations. Laser principles. Laser action is the result of three key processes. First one is photon absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission. Here is the three processes are given in one figure. First one is absorption, where the ground state atom absorb photon and go to the higher energy state. In second B diagram, the excited atom will come back to ground state by emitting photon. This process is known as spontaneous emission process. Third one is stimulated emission process. Here also the external photon is incident on excited atom, and therefore excited atom will come back to ground state by emitting two photons. Now first process, photon absorption. Photon absorption process, the atom which is present in ground state absorb photon and go to the higher energy state. How this process will happen, here it is shown. Here it is shown that first one, the ground state atom. On this ground state atom, one photon is incident, and therefore this ground state atom go to the higher energy state or excited state. The atom present in the lower energy state E1 may absorb an incident photon and jump to the excited state E2. This transition is known as photon absorption. In this transition, the atom which is present in ground state is known as A. Photon, it is in the form of h nu, and absorption, it is shown by plus sign. And the A star means the atom which is present in the excited state. Excited state is with higher energy is unstable state. It is a natural tendency of atom to seek out to the lower energy configuration or to the lower energy state by emitting the energy difference between that two energy level in the form of photon. The excited atom will come back to ground state by two different processes. First one is spontaneous emission process. Second one is stimulated emission process. Now we see the spontaneous emission process. Here the atom is present in the higher energy state or excited state. It is known as E2. It will come back to ground state E1 by emitting the photon, which is the energy difference between that two energy state. Now how this process will happen, here it is shown. The atom, it is present in excited state, it will emit photon, and the atom will come back to ground state or energy state E1. The excited atom in the state E2 or higher energy state return to the lower state E1 on its own by releasing energy in the form of photon. That is the energy difference between that two energy state. The equation is given by A star equal to A plus h nu, where A star is the excited state, A is the ground state, and h nu is the photon. Now second process, stimulated emission process. Here also the atom is present in excited state. It will come back to ground state, but here the excited atom is triggered, or one external photon is incident on it, and therefore by forcefully the excited atom will come back to ground state by emitting two photons. It is shown here, this stimulated emission process. The again atom is higher energy state, one external photon is incident on it, the atom will come back to ground state and emitting two photons. Here also the photon which is emitted, it is the energy difference between that two energy state. The equation is given by A star plus h nu equal to A plus 2h nu. Means the atom A star means excited atom, one photon is incident on it, and therefore the atom will come back ground state is shown by A, and the two photons are emitted, it is shown by 2h nu. Population inversion process. The number of active atoms occupying an energy state is called as population of that energy state. Under normal condition, the population of unexcited atom greatly exceeds the population of excited atom. For a laser to operate, situation must be reversed, called population inversion. That the majority of atoms are present in excited state than the lower energy state or ground state. Metastable energy state, and such type of energy state where atom can be live for longer time. Such type of energy state is known as metastable energy state. Active medium and active centers. A medium in which light gets amplified is called as active medium. The medium may be a solid, liquid or gas. And the atoms by which the light can be amplified is known as active centers, or that atoms are known as active centers. Properties of laser. Laser have three main characteristics or properties. First one is monochromatic, second one is coherent, third one is collimated. Thank you.